Parker, come on.
Don't
What's
even think
Sir Meals? Come on, Steve. Why you crashing out, bro?
bro, he had no reason. Like, he had look. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. As a hard hat, yeah, he has no reason to try and follow us and tase us out of the flipping bus and this and that, bro. Like, he was not. Okay, so you're on a power trip now. I get it. I get it. You're on a power trip. Brother, you're tweaking, bro. You know what?
A veces subestiman y a veces me lo maman, a veces ni me miran y otras me saludan normal. Ellos solo burlan normal, de eso no hay duda y a veces yo me rayo y a veces tranquilo.